Hey, what's up, Polygon Matic holder? Polygon is completely, my friend, price starting increasing and wake up. Not just my brother, a lot unique, my brother, Polygon. All cryptocurrencies will wake up and completely go at the moon and previous last 24 hour, my brother. So therefore, I make this video especially for all my viewers, my subscribers to understand better to what's the latest price prediction of Polygon and what's the update of Polygon and what's my opinion on this to sell, hold or buy. Let's get started a brand video, but first of all updates is on the screen. So the price 1.37 USD dollar, the rank is 18, and as you can see here, my brother, the last 24-hour volume, so 1 billion, my brother, and market cap 8 billion. So circulating supply 6 billion and max supply 10 billion, my brother. So distribution is 64.47%, and the 1 hour, last 1 day, last 7 days, all change occurring positive now, especially in last 24 hour, 20.17% profit. I think I can't expect this, my brother, from crypto market to they will come and my friend they will give you a profit, but it's possible now. So I am so happy to see this now, and I know to have in upcoming days they also give you a more and more profit. So definitely, because from this time the price is very cheap, so all holders are starting buying, and they are starting holding, my friends, for the end of month for a good time over there. So this time I am also very happy, my friends, because I am also holder of Polygon. This time the Polygon price will be increasing. I know to upcoming time they will give you a profit, so kindly holder, please don't start selling and please hold it. I hope, my brothers, they will make you millionaire now. So my prediction is totally gonna be positive now, because I know to after affairs everyone will wake up and take a very huge jump now. So therefore I think my prediction is totally gonna be positive now. But my brother, please remember, brothers, to you will need to hold now. If you starting selling, so definitely they will fail us down. But if you are hold, so I will give you guarantee to they will give you a profit. So thanks for watching, holder. Please, I hope, my brother, you will be understand something new, and my opinion is to please hold. What's your opinion? Share it in a comment box. And my brother, I hope they will make you a millionaire now. See you next time, holder. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel.